Oh, baby, we got a good one, baby. We got a good one, baby. We got Miami, number 6, ranked in the country, ready for the college football playoffs versus Syracuse. Syracuse is not bad, though, this year. I watched them a few times. Ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. All these replays like it's damn pro football. Nigga, we ain't watching no pro football. Let's go. And what the hell is this camera angle? Why they replaying everything, nigga? Okay, they scored, bro. They just pissed me off, bro. Cause why they trying to replay everything? Why are the fuck are they replaying everything? That's probably why this video is so long, bro. They replaying everything, bro. God damn. I might play some college football after this video. I may play some college football or some Call of Duty. Damn, he be slanging that bitch. He be slanging that hoe. Oh my god, what in the fuck are with all these reviews? These playback reviews. God damn. How the fuck is it 14 to 21? When did they score? And what in the fuck? How is it 0? Nigga, what? Am I tripping or are they tripping? Was it not? Look it. It was just 21 to 14. The fuck? Dude, this shit is so weird. Where does going to where it's 21 to 14? Cause how the fuck did they score and why the fuck did they not show it? Oh my lord. Bro, and all these replays, like, god damn. Like, it was a good play, but oh my god, bro. These niggas making me miss everything, bro. Because god damn, all these replays are annoying. They probably about to replay this shit. Oh, I'm surprised they didn't. Are they going to replay that? A little fucking... Literally a hook route. A curl route, whatever they call it. Hook, curl. Slant, dig, whatever the hell it is. Oh my god, he got leaped over. Replay everything. Gotta replay everything with ads. Gotta replay everything with ads. I mean, this has to be the longest video because of all of the damn replays. Like, these niggas are not doing no highlight plays out here, bro. I mean, I'm glad they replayed the touchdown, you know what I mean? I mean, shit. Oh my god, his ass got loose. They called a holding call? Oh, hell no. They got it again. That nigga did the same thing. That nigga's tough. Wait, what? Oh my God. Oh my God. This was the moment that Syracuse probably won. Oh, hell no. He forced the fumble and recover and return that hoe. That's Mr. Do-It-All right there. Talking about, boy, that's Mr. Do-It-All. Oh my God. Miami about to lose? Question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, smiley face? Them flags was flying. Them refs be on Miami's side like a mug. My boy Restrepo be gone. Touchdown. You know they're going to replay the shit out of it. Gotta replay that bitch. Gotta replay that play too. Oh my God, they scored. Dude, I'm doing too much fast forwarding. God damn. I just hate all these replays, bro. Let's hope they don't do a replay of that. What the hell? Oh my God, it went. Oh my God, it went back. Alright, there we go. Here we go, here we go. 2 minutes. Oh my God. That's some hard ass running. Miami is. Damn. So where does Miami go? If they lose this game, where does Miami go, bro? That's another first. Bro, what did. Bro, Miami lost. Ohio State lost. What happens to the college football rankings in the playoffs? Huh? Like, real talk, though. We finna watch this video. What the hell? What the hell? That is so blasphemy.